Hello everybody, it's another day, it's another Drone Diaries. Toby, do the honours, where are we?
Mayhill. I can actually pronounce this one.
Yeah, so we're at Mayhill. It's a hill.
Wow.
It's not May though, it's March.
It is not.
Gonna go send the drone up, hope you enjoy some of the footage. Okay, we're going to play a little game called Guess Which Tree Toby's behind. Which tree do you think it is, folks? You got 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Toby, reveal which tree you are behind.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome back to the next segment of Guess Which Tree Toby is behind. To be honest, this is a freebie for all of you, so you got 4 seconds again. 3, 2, 1. Toby, reveal yourself. Welcome back to the final part of Guess Which Tree Toby is behind. Can you guess which tree he's behind? Is it this one here? There's a dog that just run through the tree. Just going to leave that in, that's fantastic.